Good morning, everyone. My name is Nivesh Kashyap. I am student at Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Today, I am not going to discuss about any legal aspect of the examination or any law entrance examination, but today I am going to review one of the most sought book in the market, that is Prelims Practice Series Part First of History, published by Drishti IS. So start करते हैं हम इस book का review. Let me show you the book. This is the first. This is how the book looks like. Just you can see here, just you can see, read here, the prelims practice series, history and art and culture. This is basically a question bank just for the practice before your examination, which is on 10th of October. So start करते हैं कि इस book में है क्या. I'll review in a very honest review I'll give you, because I have solved all the questions in this book. I will show you the क्वेश्चंस किस तरीके का है, मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर और ऑल्सो ये यूजफुल है CDS CAPF ऑल द यूपीएस रिलेटेड एग्जाम्स में, जो भी एग्जाम्स यूपीएससी कंडक्ट करवाती है उसके लिए बुक काफ़ी यूजफुल है. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं रिव्यू. सो यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस बुक. सो एंशियंट हिस्ट्री, हिस्टोरिकल रिसोर्सेज ऑफ एंशियंट इंडिया, prehistoric period, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic age, Mahajanpadas, such likewise Sangam age, Gupta age. All this is not, this is the question format. This is how the questions are given in this book. Just like medieval history, early medieval empires, age of conflicts, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal Empire and the rise of Marathas, all that, Vijayanagara empires, modern history likewise, you can just see. In modern history, total chapters are given, other developments during British Raj and all that. So just you have look at the content of this book. Art and culture is also very well structured. Indian architecture, dances of India, Indian music, martial arts, all that, Bhakti and Sufi movements given. And at the end of this book, there is miscellaneous questions comprised all the ancient, medieval, modern history. So let's start how the questions is given. Just I have already told you earlier, this book all includes the practice question for IAS, state PCS, CAPF, CDS, NDA and other competitive examination. So you will find all the previous year questions, last 5 year previous questions from CDS, CAPF, I mean all the examination which is conducted by the UPSC. And apart from that, UPPCS questions is also given in this book. Just you can have a look. This was the CAPF AC exam 2020. You just have a look, the previous year is also given. And the best part of this book is the explanation which is given in this book. Very well explained, explanation is given. Like you have UPPCS pre-2017 question, you can see the explanation. The explanation is not one-liner. Very well explained, paragraph-wise explained. And I'll show you the even explanation later on. First, I'll show you the CDS examination. You can just see the questions here. How the questions after the previous year gets over. So you will find the practice questions at the end of this, every, chapter. Because this is really help, because whatever the topics is left or, left behind, you can cover from here. Just you can see. So I'll show you likewise. This you can see the NDA and examination. So this is not for only UPSC pre-examination, but also for all the other competitive examination, whichever conducted by the UPSC or state PCS. So I'll show you. This is, you can see here. Just have a look. This is how the explanation is given, even in the table form, chart wise. You will find very concise, comprehensive book actually it is. So I have taken this book before, my CAPF examination, which was on 8th of August this year. So I found really very helpful this book. It helped me, to cover all the concept which I have read from, my book. Because after just reading is not important, because you have to practice all the questions. Whatever the subjects, whatever the topics you have read, you have to practice questions from that subject or topic. So this book really helped me, because just you can see. This is how the given. I have solved all the questions. I have, if I talk about the error in this book, I found no error, because I might be not correct, but I found, because the errorless book actually, I would say, because you can see the features, the policy of ring fence, forward policy, the policy of masterly inactivity. All the explanation is given properly in this book. Just Rayatwari system, you can see Mahalwari system, permanent settlement, all the questions given. After the question, there is explanation. This is not the question, this is the explanation actually. The question, this is the question, you can see. The question looks simple. You will not find such a, very good explanation in every book. Just even if you find, explanation, it will be in one liner or two liner, but look how the explanation is given in this book. So after just solving the question, you read the explanation, you will get the clear concept of your topics. This is the best advantage of this book. Just social religious movement, just look. Just you have look the questions from all the previous important examination. Likewise, so this is how I have solved this book, and I find really useful. Just let me show you. This is the art and culture section. You will find the Indian architecture, all the questions given here, because basically this book is for the prelims practice series. The book name itself suggests that it is for the because prelims is on 10th of October this year, so we have left only just 20 days remaining with us. So just go through this book, just practice all the questions. It will really help, because I think this is the best time to revise all your concept through books question, because this is a standardized. And the best part of this book is that this question is set according to the latest trend of the UPSC, because you will find in some of the books they are not updated. They still give the questions of 1992, 93, 2000, but they are very question itna purana ho chuka, they don't you just they are basic question. So according to the latest trend, you have to just go through the latest book like this. So this is how I think I have shown you. The total pages in this book is 459. So I think this really helps you, and I hope you should. This is all the books are available now. You can see the 6 books in the series: history, and art and culture, Indian geography. I'll show you the Indian geography book. I have also purchased that. Just you can see, and already I have uploaded a video on this book also. You just can check out this video also if you just want to a brief review of this book also, because I have already reviewed in the previous video. So this was all the books are available: environment and ecology, Indian polity and governance. So just you can check out this book if you find it relevant. Otherwise, all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.